This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to use, well, the stock system or economy system in Streetwise. An advanced tutorial would probably take a bit too long, so let's just go into the basics. You'll see purchase and sales price lists. The purchase list is for how you're going to put stuff in the van, and the sales list is to sell stuff in the van.
Unfortunately, I can't just hand out.
It'll say this if you
shipments.
don't actually have a van available,
Preferably some
but
sort of van.
if you do have a van available,
Ah,
it'll pop up this little
Another
menu.
shipment so soon. What have you got for me?
You can
today,
type
then?
your quantity up here and it'll automatically calculate the amount. If you hover over something that's over 1,000, it'll actually tell you the specific price. It's just shortened for an ease on the eyes, you could say. So if we buy 10 of this, you'll notice the price goes up as we do that. That's because it's inflating. Now, you can basically inflate the price of any of these, and then at another company, you can sell it for less or for more. So if we just buy up a bunch of 𝐏𝐑𝐄𝐃, for example, and then drive over to the temporary place that we have. Always make sure you drive into one of the bays or it won't work. We can now sell here, and you'll notice the price at this place is different to the price that was at the other one. You see, if we were to be selling here, we'd be selling at a loss because we just bought all of that 𝐏𝐑𝐄𝐃 for something like 1.22k. So what you would really want to do is buy all the 𝐏𝐑𝐄𝐃 from here and then go to the other one and sell it there. That way you would make a profit. But I'm not looking to make a profit, so I'll just sell off all of this and drop the price a little bit, you see? The price is now at something like 50 a unit, 40 a unit. So if we were to buy up all of the 𝐏𝐑𝐄𝐃 here and sell it at the other place, we'd make a massive profit. That's the basics of how to use the stock system or the economy system in Streetwise.